snacks. It's me, Ziggy. ACHOO! Whoa, what just happened? Let's find out why we sneeze. Your nose is like a superhero guard. It catches dust, dirt, even little bugs floating in the air. But sometimes something sneaks through. When that happens, your nose goes, "Help!" And your brain's like, "I got this." It quickly sends a message to your whole body. Time to sneeze it out. Your lungs fill up with air, your chest gets ready, and boom! Your body blasts it out like a mini rocket. Achoo! That's one powerful puff. Sneezing keeps your nose clean and your body safe. It's like a spring cleaning blast. So yeah, sneezes are kinda awesome. See you next time, my sneezy superheroes. Bye-bye!